The Darkrock 4 and the Darkrock Pro 4 are our best sellers in the high-end range and tend to be sold out on a fairly regular basis. Both deliver an immense cooling power, 200 watt TDP with the Darkrock 4 and even 250 watt TDP with the Darkrock Pro 4. Unfortunately, this means also a certain degree of necessary compromise in terms of the size, which can lead to occasional problems with the visibility of RAM blocks. So enter the Darkrock Slim.
Now, we did not develop the Darkrock Slim on a whim. We study each and every piece of feedback very thoroughly, be it from emails, returned materials or social media postings. And we heard it loud and clear. Many of you wished for a powerful air cooler which did not block fancy RAM modules.
Uncompromisingly compact. That's how we choose to describe our newest cooling wonder, and it's this compactness that comes to full effect when you choose to build a high-end system but have limited space available. This means that the Darkrock Slim can even be used within high-powered ITX systems. But these small cases tend to have cooling problems due to a lack of airflow, which means that their fans run at full power under load. But isn't being loud the exact opposite of what these small systems are meant to be? Good thing then that the Darkrock Slim comes equipped with a Silent Wings 3 120mm PWM fan, which operates at a maximum of virtually inaudible 23.6 decibels. Noblesse oblige. Being a true Darkrock cooler means to have a first-grade ratio of power to noise. The four high-performance copper heat pipes and the airflow-optimized wave-contoured cooler fins have been coated with special black ceramic particles to enable perfect heat transfer. Which means that this compact cooler offers a whopping 180 watt TDP, enough even for a Ryzen 7 2700X CPU with 8 cores and 16 threads, which uses only 105 watt TDP, leaving lots of room for overclocking. And in order to please the eyes as well, the cooler features a brushed aluminum top cover with diamond cut finish. So if you like to fill your PC with 4 RGB RAM blocks or even 8, the Darkrock Slim isn't going to stand in any of your ways. You're free to configure your lighting software as you can see fit, and thanks to the 180 watt TDP, use most of the current CPUs for high-end gaming or demanding graphics and video applications. One more thing, installing the Darkrock Slim is a piece of cake, and if you happen to need even more cooling power, you are free to use another 120mm fan. The clips necessary for doing so are already included. Let's sum up. 180 watt TDP, very compact design, extremely silent thanks to the Silent Wings 3 fan. Every RAM module is visible, fit for high-end builds, and of course featuring Be Quiet's world-famous reliability. The Darkrock Slim really leaves nothing to be desired. Well then, stay quiet.